see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ebony if you are new here, and today's video we are doing another clean and organize with me video, and we are tackling the refrigerator. So I just did a grocery pickup order. First thing I'm doing is taking everything out of the bag, and then I'm going to actually clean, and we are going to reorganize these groceries and also the groceries that are in the refrigerator as well. So the groceries that you are seeing is about a week's worth of groceries. We definitely went with meats and vegetables in this order, and then I also purchased some breakfast ideas as well, but pretty simple for us. And this is what the inside of the refrigerator looks like, pretty bare, but whenever you look up close it's pretty nasty, and I'll show you guys some clips of that in just a second.
Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you.
So as I'm taking everything out of the refrigerator, I'm looking at expiration dates. I'm also looking at the food itself to see if it's okay to go back in the refrigerator. So I definitely try to keep an eye out for all of the food that's in the refrigerator every time I restock the fridge, because I never want to put like older items towards the back to where we forget that we have them. But here's what the refrigerator looked like up close. Like I said, it's pretty, not too bad, but pretty nasty as far as it does definitely need to be wiped down. So that's what I'm going to do. And as far as wiping it down, I use, of course, my Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose spray. It is an all-natural spray, so I definitely feel comfortable with spraying down the refrigerator with this stuff, and it works like magic.
It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Oh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you. Baby, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me love you.
So the next thing I'm going to do is place everything inside the bins. So instead of placing the bins in the refrigerator, it's a lot easier if you already have the bins out of the refrigerator, and then place the items in the bins and then place those in the refrigerator. So if you are not doing this whenever you are restocking your fridge, definitely try it out and let me know if it's easier or if you prefer doing it the other way best.
Why I should ever let you go? Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming, because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without I wouldn't know what to.
When I was pouring the Clay bars in the bins, at first I was like, let me stack them up, and then I had a change of mind. We are all about functionality here. I don't necessarily always want to go for the Pinterest worthy items or pictures that I see on Pinterest, but I just wanted to throw that in there. As long as it works for your family and you know exactly where everything is, that's honestly all that matters.
Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know, when you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see.
So what I do, we just keep all of our vegetables in the bottom two drawers. It just helps us stay organized. And then of course all of our frozen vegetables and meats stay in the freezer as needed. So that's pretty much how I categorize it. And then I'll show you guys how I do like all my cheeses and meats and things like that as far as the refrigerator goes as well. as far as all of my deli meats and cheese, they go in this drawer. And then, like I said, all of the vegetables are going to go in those bottom 2 drawers. So I just usually take everything out of the bags and then place them in the right location.
I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. You got me wrapped around your finger. Tell me what you wanna do. I think we're part of something bigger, and now my mind is filled with you. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without I wouldn't know what to. Baby, without.
If you guys are loving this video so far, I would love for you to subscribe to my YouTube channel here. We are all about cleaning, organizing, and definitely making things a lot easier and functional to fit your family. So I love to give ideas that we use that hopefully you guys can use at home as well. So we are almost halfway done, and what I'm going to do is that anytime I organize any space, I always want to make sure, of course, to finish organizing that space, but to then conclude with cleaning that space. So definitely makes the organization worth it if you make sure to clean after it, so it doesn't be so overwhelming whenever you go to your next space.
What I'm doing here, and the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you there was no one who understood. Never found somewhere I fit in. Until I met you, I was feeling lost. But you're the one who can make it go away. All you have to do is look at me. Sometimes
So I thought I'd take a few seconds to introduce myself. My name is Ebony, and I have been posting on YouTube since June of 2019. It's definitely been an on and off process, but I have definitely made it my priority to post consistently for 2022, and I'm super excited to share all the different ideas I have for this year. Also, I live in this 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment with my partner and my little girl. Her name is Ebony, and you guys, sometimes she's in and out of the videos, but we recently sold our house. I guess it's not recently now. We sold our house last February, so we went from a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house to a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. So it has definitely been, I wouldn't say necessarily a challenge, but we have minimized a lot of our items and things, and it has definitely been a journey to do so. But I am all about minimalism and, like I said, cleaning, organizing. Once again, I would love for you guys to be a part of my YouTube family here as I continue to grow. And I appreciate all of the comments and support you guys have given me throughout the years.
one who saves me, the one who saves me.
Give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me when I try.
So the last thing I want to do is just give you guys a small tour of the refrigerator and just explain my method of why I organize it the way I did. So at the top, I just keep all of our drinks, and then I also keep our butter up here, mainly butter, but we had sour cream, so I just went ahead and added it to the butter. And then here we have our fruits, and then I sort of keep this section for leftovers. Also, we use the top for leftovers as well. And then I have my section for our eggs. I personally don't like eggs, but we are definitely a family that does love eggs. And then the first drawer is where I keep all of my deli meats and cheeses. Thankfully, they were all able to fit in that drawer perfectly. And then at the bottom, I have some snacks for Ebony, also my morning yogurts, and then some Premier Protein that I add to my coffee. If you've not tried Premier Protein with coffee, try it. It's amazing. And then at the bottom, I'm keeping all of my vegetables. And I also have like some cilantro and parsley in the back of that drawer as well. And then on the other side, I have some more vegetables. So these are items that a recipe calls for. And then I have like a bag of random onions for some reason that we have not used all of them. And then I also have Ebony's Propel and my bottles of water. So that's pretty much everything that's in the refrigerator. And then on the left side is where we keep all of our condiments, and it seems to work best all on the side. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course I post every Wednesday and Sunday at 3 p.m. Eastern time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.